Come to the part where we install this little bottle. This is important. This is for the to let you see whether the air come through here. Let me show you how to install. Okay. I will unscrew this. Unscrew this. After that, I will put this in. This one I put inside in the middle. Okay. Then here, screw it. See? Okay. Then I will put this in. So after that, how I connect this? Okay, this will not connect to here. Connect to here first. This rubber connect to here, and then we'll go to here. In. That means the air flow in here. If I open the cap, they will have this. Sometimes the water you can see accumulate here. If the air, after that I will put some water. If you put some water, you will know whether the air is going through, because the bubble will be you can see the bubble here. If after you reach about this maximum here, you take it out, and either you throw away the water, or you drink the water. It's because it's pure. And after I do here, and then I only connect to here, out. That's where you can inhale for one person. If you want to do it for 2 persons, this is how you should do. Is that you also do the same thing here, and then you put it here. Then what you need to do is take this away. Take the V tube away, and then you put one here, and then you take the second inhalation apparatus with the silicone tube. This silicone tube is better than plastic because when you press on it, it will not break. So you do the same thing. And then you plug in here. Oh no, sorry. It's the second tube where you have the here. Here. You plug in into here. In. And then with that, you plug into 2. So you can have 2 persons in here at the same time. But each person will only get 3 liters. If I suggest if the inhaler has a serious disease or pain, it's best for him to inhale alone 6 liters. You want to more hydrogen go into the body. The more the better. So you can see that is the USB port here. The reason is for you to plug in your handphone. Sometimes when you inhale, you feel bored, right? So you use your USB, you plug in, then you can place your handphone. So this is the thoughts. Okay, thank you.
Okay.